Thrifted versus styled. I will never turn down a good basket, especially if it's at the bins, because it's going to cost me next to nothing. And this basket was no exception. It was basically in perfect condition. The handles were great. We have this sort of awkward corner of our fireplace. It's kind of like a bench slash shelf. So I thought this basket would be perfect to put some throw pillows in. Right after I found that basket, I found this tall, dried out grass. I really liked the tie around it with the little tassels, and I decided that this would also look great on that little fireplace shelf slash bench. I had these beaded wooden tassels that I added, and I just really think it adds a lot of warmth to this area and it just feels super cozy.